All right, so I put the eRapta 4.3 display screen on the XJ here. So we've got a new project we're going to do today based off of the results from how impressed I am with this unit here. So my parents have a Jeep 2019 that did not come with a backup camera. So after I talked to them about the 4-inch that I've got on mine, I ended up getting the 7-inch eRapta. But on this one, we're actually going to go ahead and set it up the right way, where the screen and camera are powered on when you put it into reverse, and then wire it directly. So stay tuned. We'll go through that process. I'll show you how to put it together, and we'll go from there. All right, so I went ahead and unboxed it to get some of that stuff out of the way. This one does come with the remote. It's got like 32 foot of cable, so that's pretty awesome. Suction cup mount for the monitor, or you can mount it to the dash. Extra wire, license plate camera bracket, which I may end up fabricating depending upon how I want to put this on their Jeep. Super nice system so far. A lot more detailed with more options than the one that I've got in mine. But large 7-inch color display. So should be really good setup, and hopefully I do it right, because with it being the family, I'll never hear the end of it. All right, so ended up finding the correct wire. You're gonna have to refer to your vehicle specification, because they're all different, to where this is set up to where it automatically comes on when it's put in reverse. So just doing those finalizing touches, and then what you'll end up doing is running the wires backwards. So instead of hooking the power into your cigarette outlet, we're not actually going to use that, so that's going to go away. So you put your long end, which I've got fed up through here to the monitor. We're going to run this back, and then you'll do your power connection here in the back, and then it goes to the camera. If you want to run this without hooking it up to your reverse lights, then you would just take this cord and run it the opposite way, and these would be at the front. But the way this is set up, it'll be ran through in the Jeep, and we mounted it on the spare tire carrier just like they come from the factory, and we just replaced that center plug that comes on the rim. But I'll show you all that process and finalized aspect once we get it back together. All right, to be 100% honest, this turned out way better than I thought it was going to. I'm actually very, very impressed, because again, it's designed to go up on your license plate. But what I actually did was I wanted to set up like a factory Jeep comes. So I just took the center cap out of the rim like they come if you buy them standard with the backup camera. Just took the plug out, mounted this directly to the tire bracket, which I showed you in the video. Perfect clearance, looks absolutely phenomenal. As far as the wires, hiding it all, came through the vent. This panel obviously comes off, ran it through the loom, took this panel off, hooked it directly to the tail light. Works perfect. Alright, so the way it's set up now, you've got nothing. Since I wired it through the brake lights and did away with the cigarette lighter, so you have no wires or anything visible up front. It's all hidden. The camera's on, car started, simply put it in reverse, camera power's on, then there is your backup camera. All these buttons, functions, you can adjust the angles, the grid lines, the direction, the zoom, all that good stuff. Haven't fooled with any of that yet. Just want to get this up, mounted, secured. Quality, visibility is absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to pull the parking brake on so I can show you what it looks like from the rear. But this thing is amazing. So you can see the camera is on. Obviously the vehicle's on, brake lights are on, reverse lights are on. But you can look through, kind of hard to see, but perfect visibility of the camera. And you can see as I back up, it does exactly what it's supposed to. So this is my second product that I've used through eRapta. I will put the link to the Amazon page where you can get this in the comments below and in the description. Definitely check these out. I think it's like $50. Can't go wrong. Extremely easy installation, as long as you can splice into your reverse lights. Look into your vehicles. They're all a little bit different. You should have a major, a minor, and a ground. You want to hook the power to the major, and then the the ground to the common, and works just fine. So it's in reverse now. I'm into drive, camera goes off. Then I'm going to come back up to reverse, camera's on, go to park, camera turns off. That simple. Again, it comes with the remote. It comes with a different mounting bracket in case you want to adhere it somewhere else on the dash. I got to go through all that process. I haven't done any of that, but definitely check this out. Again, it's a lifetime full replacement warranty. Can find nothing wrong with this system so far. Excellent product. Check them out. Thanks for watching.